Coach, congratulations. Back-back win for the Ground Tigers and second straight win after a 4-game season. So ano naman sabi nyo sa performances against Ateneo, especially yun nga, naghahabol kayo ng magandang pwesto sa top
4. First of all, salamat for this victory sa supporter natin sa UST community and sa like we said, this is the most important game. So, yun nga, nakita naman yung effort ng mga players natin. And, kasi, mas big talaga ito for us. So, we credit to the boys na sobrang nakapost. Laser focus sila today. And especially our free throws na start na free throws and interfere. So, yun lang. So, next game will be the most important game.
Jeremy had 10 points, 9 rebounds, 2 blocks, 1 steal, and 1 assist. So, ano man sabi mo na, yun nga, do you think nakakabawan na kayo sa yung apat na sunod nyo or meron pa kayong kailangan pang ayusin para syempre maganda standing nyo sa NBA?
Always naman kasi sabi ng mga coaches namin na itong talitira pang games namin is kailangan talaga namin matalo. Gusto lang talaga namin maka-final four.
Thank you. And first, 6 points, 2 assists, 1 rebound, and plus 6. So, this is your final face-off against Ateneo for the eliminations. So, what can you say na you helped UST win and keep your final hopes alive?
Well, first of all, we're glad that we got the win, or much needed win. And, just still happy with our progress kahit na this stage of the season na we still want to improve each practice, each game. And, hopefully we can, translate it to our next most important game, sabi nga, which is NU. But yeah, I'm just really happy na we got this much.
Thank you for the first for the question.
To show crucial po yung performance, especially ni Collins today. Kasi nga, on both ends, check. Panas.
First of all, super important yung presence ni Collins sa protected the paint. Also, hindi naman si Collins yung extend today yung decision making. Even sila Mark, sila Aaron, everyone, KP, and step up sila lahat. It's just team effort.
Fourth, as one of the leaders of the team, paano mo na lang keep united yung squad, especially in a 4-game losing streak, and ano yung mga lessons na dinala niyo from that?
Well, I mean, it's open kasi sa aming mga players yung pinagdaanan namin. Like, we know yung adversity na pinagdaanan namin, and I think na we just talk through it kasi magkakaiba kami ng headspace during that time. Yung iba gusto natin lang bumawi, yung iba talaga na-down kasi nga sa nangyari. But then, yun nga, we just talk things through and then, napag-usapan namin na we have a bigger purpose here, not just for ourselves. And I think it, showed nung past 2 games namin. Not perfect though, but still, andun naman yung effort natin.
Jella, para sa'yo, ano siguro yung nagbago sa'yo nung last 2 games na nakatulong ka rin talaga sa team, even sa defense also? At ano lang yung nagbago sa'yo after nung 4-game losing streak para makahelp sa team?
Siguro yung gupit lang. Sorry. Siguro yung identity na sa team. Yun nga, yung natalo ng Wall Street loses, so parang higil na kami ng bumawi. So, yun. Kapag yun, natalo na kami. Sa
The players na lang. Nung round 1, parang sa akin na siguro tsaka influence yung pinakakalaki nyo dahil nakakan. This time around, hindi na kailangan ng overtime. How difficult was it?
Yung game kanina, how to guess? Well, Ateneo is it's really a great basketball team, good program, and we know na, I mean, kahit anong team naman yung malaban namin, we know na may hirapan kami. We're gonna get tired because of our, play style. But then, yun yung sinasabi sa amin ng mga coaches gustuhin natin mapagod, gustuhin natin magtrabaho para kasi maybe at the end of the game, sa atin yung panalo. And I think yun yung talagang nag-stick na sa amin. Sinabi na yun na kailangan yung mapagod kung gusto naman natin.
Obviously, one of the captains, nanirinig nyo, nababasa nyo yung criticism. But now, with this, we're missing the free throws. I think this game is really the best free throw shooting game of the season para sa inyo. Can you say na this is a nice way of really turning things around and to don't such a
Well, yeah, I think good thing yung improvement natin sa free throws and we practice it with intent sa side namin. Kaya may routine kami like as a whole na focus lang sa free throws and I think it shows today kasi during the QE game I think we were 60%. But now we were, 78? It's a good sign. And, talagang kailangan tuloy-tuloy kasi, especially next game, and yung malakas. I mean, it's a top team, kaya, and plays physical too. So we might, or might not get fouled a lot, so just need to continue working.
For you, you're limited sa offense 6 points, pero defensively speaking, kayo ng mga organizations, you're limited Giant, just 7 points naman for 11 shooting. So, how crucial will not only yung free throws, of course, kasi it's your curricular work of your minute, pero yung defensive identity mo as a team, pero crucial as we head into yung sinasabi na yung pinaka-crucial sa ganyan na season.
Well, yeah, it's important kasi especially nung first round, I think emphasis talaga sa amin is our paint protection, yung defense namin. And lagi siyang sinistress ng coaches sa amin. And I think you gotta give, credits din sa teammates ko kasi talagang nag-commit sila dun sa defensive system na gusto ng coaches namin. And bilang naman lagi sinasabi nila coach sa amin na we just do our job here sa practice and we hope that it translates here sa game.
Congratulations, Coach Jam. Yeah. And